Hey, Dixie. Hi. My little Dixie chick, huh? Look at you. Look at you. That's my good girl. Huh? You love those fish, huh? My little Dixie Bob. Come over here. You like that? Oh, yeah. Come over here. Come on. Come on. Dixie's doing very well. She's eating. She's taking her meds on schedule. There's no issues with her whatsoever. She's not constipated at all. So no worries. Look at you. I'm sure she misses her mom, but we'll see her in a few days. Yes. It's my little Dixie Bob. Look at you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at you. Look at you. You're my freshie. You're my little freshie. Yeah. Yeah.